Hello, friend. Welcome to Make a Card Monday. So we're doing my puppies today. These are my 4 Westies with my rescue Eddie. I thought we'd do a cute little card. This is the stamp set. I bought it from Temu. It does not come with dies, but it's under $2. So I'm going to show you the stamp here up close. Good sizes too. I am doing a 4.25 by 5.5 card, and I'm able to fit those 5 pupper dogs on the front. The sayings on here are so cute. So let's get to stamping. So I'm going to do the Westies first. So let's say this one's Finn. If you haven't watched me before, I have 4 Westies and a rescue. So this one is Daddy Finnegan. And then we're going to go over and do Riley. This is Riley Jameson. He's one of the puppies. He's 9 months old. Be 10 months by the time you guys see this. And then we're going to do Winston Churchill. Winston is also one of the puppies. Little stinkers. I have my hands full for sure. And then I'm going to put these masks on just to mask them off, because I'm going to stamp Ellie in the background. So this way I protect the 2 stamps in the front and I can get that layered look. So there's Mama Eloise, who wants nothing to do with the puppies. She's done. I'll peel one off, and I'm going to put this one on Finnegan. I'm going to mask him off, and now we're going to put Eddie in the background. Eddie is our Lab Shep rescue that we got in 2013. He's grandpa to the puppies. He's a very skittish dog, so he fits right in with my crew. He listens really well. He's the best behaved dog we've ever had. But look how cute. So I'm going to paint color these with Gamsol and the Prisma colored pencils. So this was a very interesting color palette because when you have white dogs and white sheets, all I could do was shade. So I am just using the gray there. had to play a little bit of music. My puppers were starting to bark, so we covered it up with some music. I had a good time making this card because, of course, they're my babies, you know. But using that Gamsol is so much fun. I haven't really played with alcohol inks yet, and I really need to do that, alcohol markers. Maybe the first of the year, because I just have a ton of Christmas cards to make, and I don't want to start something new. And I do have a lot of cards I need to get made, so just going to color in these eyes on the pumpkins, and I'll dot out the puppy's eyes. And then we'll finish off the card. Very easy card if you like to color. I'm not a big fan of coloring, but I am having fun with the Gamsol, so it makes it a little different because you can put different shades in and blend them. So I'm kind of prepping myself for the alcohol markers, I think. These Prisma pencils are very nice to work with too. They're very smooth. Get our eyes dotted here. It's terrible that I can't distinguish them all from each other because they all look alike. It's hard to tell them apart sometimes. How cute. Cute, cute, cute. Finny only weighs like 15 pounds, and Ellie weighs like 21, and the puppies are like 21, 22. So those three are kind of the same size where I can tell who Finn is because he's a tiny little guy. He's always been tiny since the day I got him. He weighed less than 3 pounds when I got him. He was so cute. He hasn't grown much. So now I have it all trimmed down, and I did it at 4 by 5 1/4 because I wanted to mount it. So I had a little trouble with the stamping. This is I think my third try. Third or fourth. I don't remember. But the first one I did it the wrong way. And then this one, the stamp was smudgy or something, so I flipped it and did the other side. Cute. Give us all your treats and no one gets hurt, is what it says. I'm going to put it on a black card base. Now this card will not be available in my Etsy shop. This card, I'm going to switch this out with the other dog I did. This one I'll probably be sending to my mom. Who knows? I may make a couple more and send them out to friends too. We'll see. Time permitting. So I did manage to get all my paints dumped this weekend. All of my blooming paints that were dried up and thick, I got all those dumped this weekend, and now I'm waiting for them to dry so I can peel and chalk, and then I can start the next phase of the studio. Hopefully be back to painting very soon. And Ellen's going to see about time off from work, so we might be able to get her done. So I let that set for a bit. I stamped out my sentiment. Tricks for treats. You know, because it's all dog related. I did mount this a little bit because there is no dimension to this card except for this. And I am going to add a few Julies. I'm going to use those orangey, pink, yellow shifting Julie's. They actually matched quite well. And then I'm going to pull a little flower shape sequin, and I'm going to put that on Ellie's ear, just so we can decipher which one is Mama. So I put Finn farther back in the background because he's tinier, so it makes him look tinier too. My goodness, I'm making a card with my dogs. Really? Last one on. We're all set. Gotta stamp it yet. I'm using the Memento Copper Metallic to stamp on my black cards. I have done a few in gold. I think I did one in silver, and I really like the copper the best. It's very bright. But that's it, guys. Super cute card for Halloween. I'm going to be doing a few more for friends and family. But that's super cute. There's my babies. But I'll see you next Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern for another card creation. Take care.